A perfect 50-50 stride isn't realistic, but a sudden shift in your ground contact time balance is the earliest warning sign your body gives before an injury strikes. Your watch tracks exactly how many milliseconds each foot stays on the ground. Unlike impact force, this metric reveals how you stabilize under load. Most runners stress if they see 49% left and 51% right. But studies show that anywhere between 49 and 51% is perfectly symmetrical for functional running. You aren't a robot, and your body naturally favors a side. Think of this metric as your limp detector. When something hurts, you instinctively get off that foot faster. This asymmetry often spikes weeks before pain actually stops you. I use this primarily to spot fatigue. During a long run, if your balance drifts from your normal baseline after mile 15, your stabilizing muscles are failing on one side. Here is what a fatigue drift looks like. The runner starts balanced, but as form breaks down, the right leg lingers longer. This is your cue to strengthen that specific side or cap your long run distance. Context is everything. A tilted road surface or a tight turn on a track will skew your numbers immediately. If the imbalance disappears on a flat straightaway, ignore it. Use this decision tree for analysis. If your balance shifts more than 1.5% from your norm for 3 consecutive runs on flat ground, back off intensity. If it's a one-off spike, it's just noise. Don't fix a 50.8% balance, but respect a trend moving away from your baseline. Data isn't there to judge your form. It's there to whisper before your body screams. Watch the trend. Ignore the noise. Keep running healthy.